In this session, we're going to look at the way in which railways design and manage stations. So, ideally, where do we want to put our stations? What are the requirements for them? Well, we inevitably here have an interconnection with town planning. Ideally, stations need to be located in places with the greatest number of potential passengers, where the trip end densities are highest. We've already discussed having access by public transport and by parking. And ideally, along a line, we want to serve a range of land uses. So we want some stations to be in city centres, maybe some to be park and ride next to a motorway interchange, and others to be in dense concentrations of housing, because it's this mixture that's going to drive our patronage. And then, as we mentioned with our major projects, there's this issue of how big should I build anything. The example of Brighton Station shows a station built over 100 years ago with a large train shed. Brighton's a very big and busy station, so this is not particularly a problem. But other stations built in the same era have proved not to be worthwhile having, and therefore we'll end up with a maintenance liability. If we expect demand to grow, we can regard this as an opportunity, but big station buildings require a source of income to fund them. And when we're planning a station in the first place, we need that judgment as to how big to build.